Okay, I tried reading a crochet pattern today and immediately regretted every decision that led me to this moment. Why does it feel like these things are written in ancient runes? Patterns. Always start so innocent. Chain 4. Okay, cool, I can do that. Then suddenly it's like, now do something impossible. What do you mean work 27 stitches into the same chain? I only have one chain. I'm not a wizard. Then we get to the stitch count. Row 7 is supposed to have 42 stitches. My row 7 has 38. Or 44? Or both? I swear I counted. I swear I did. The pattern is lying. I'm not the problem. Don't even get me started on diagrams. Why do they look like forbidden spell circles? I'm convinced pattern writers are secretly wizards, and this is their spellbook. Like, what does this symbol even mean? It looks like a sideways trident during yoga. You cannot tell me pattern writers don't cackle while typing these things. They're like, hee hee hee, repeat row 4. Again? Anyway, I'm still gonna follow patterns because I have no ability to freehand anything. But just know, if my project looks wrong, it's the pattern's fault. Okay, bye. I'm gonna go fight Yarn now.